Hello everyone. I'm Konz. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is gonna be about Sandbox. Subscribe if you are new here, so let's get right into the video. The Sandbox is a play-to-earn game that combines blockchain technology, DeFi, and NFTs in a 3D metaverse. Its virtual world allows players to create and customize their games and digital assets with free design tools. The virtual goods created can then be monetized as NFTs and sold for Sand tokens on the Sandbox marketplace. The Sand token is the native token of the Sandbox. It is used as the basis of all transactions and interactions in the game. The gaming industry is investing more resources in bringing their projects on the blockchain, especially in creating metaverses to enhance the gaming experience. Following the Facebook rebranding into Meta in October 2021, metaverse gaming spiked in popularity. Metaverses on blockchain transform how people interact with each other and redefine the ownership of in-game digital assets. One of the hottest blockchain game projects that offer players a unique virtual experience is the Sandbox. It unleashes players' creativity by allowing them to contribute to the gaming items and virtual land, all based on non-fungible tokens (NFTs). What is the Sandbox? The Sandbox is a play-to-earn blockchain game that allows players to build a virtual world using non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on the Ethereum blockchain. Players can design their own avatars to access the different games, environments, and hubs on the Sandbox Metaverse. You can think of the game as a DeFi version of Minecraft on the blockchain. Launched in 2011 by Pixel, the Sandbox was initially a mobile gaming platform intended to rival Minecraft. It became a hit and generated more than 40 million downloads worldwide. But in 2018, the co-founders Arthur Madrid and Sebastian Borget decided to explore the potential of creating a 3D metaverse on the blockchain. Their goal is to let users truly own their creations as NFTs and earn rewards while participating in the ecosystem. The new Sandbox project was released in 2020 and became one of the fastest-growing games in the crypto world, along with Axie Infinity and Decentraland. How does the Sandbox work? The Sandbox is a dynamic virtual world with user-generated creations. Players can build and create their own NFTs, including avatars, virtual goods, and even games using VoxEdit and GameMaker. Not only can they use the virtual goods to interact with other players, but they can also monetize these NFTs by trading on the Sandbox marketplace. The Sandbox is a user-generated content platform that allows users to create and contribute to the metaverse. Unlike other popular play-to-earn games, the Sandbox doesn't have a predetermined gaming world. If you like the video, then definitely like the video. If you have not subscribed channel yet, then make sure to subscribe the channel.